Hey, I got a great idea. Let's go on a bike ride, Chef Charlie.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Where do you want to go?
To the park and all the city in the world.
To the park? In all the cities in the world?
Yeah.
That's a great idea. Let's go. All the way to the park.
Yeah, me too. Yeah.
We kept riding and riding all through the park. Then we decided to take a bike ride to San Francisco. This is fun.
Yeah, it is.
And we went through Los Angeles. This is fun too.
Yeah, it is.
And we went to New York City. It's busy here.
Yeah, it really is.
Well, watch out for that car.
That was close one.
Yeah, you better watch out because these guys drive crazy here.
Yeah. Awesome.
Then we stopped in beautiful Las Vegas. Ready to go? And finally, we made it all the way back home. We made it home!